Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Shopify store in 2025. So if you have bought your domain through Squarespace, but now you want to use it with your Shopify store, here is how you can basically connect it. And for this purpose, you don't need to have any coding experience. First of all, you need to log into your Shopify account and your Shopify dashboard should look something like this. Now click on this settings icon in the bottom and over here you need to go to domains. In domains, you will see two different options. The first is of buying a new domain and the second one is of connecting your existing domain. So this is what we are looking for. So simply click on this option and over here provide your domain name like yourdomain.com and hit next button. Now Shopify will show you your DNS settings that you need. So in a new tab, you just have to type Squarespace and then you need to simply log into your account. Once done, you need to go to the domains and select the domain that you want to use. Scroll to the DNS settings and update two important fields, that would be change a record to Shopify IP and change the CNAME. I will put the link of these details down in the description so you can just copy from there and paste, and then you need to save changes to it and back to your Shopify store. Now once you verify the connection, it might take a few minutes or hours to fully connect, so don't worry if it is not instant. That's it, your Squarespace domain is now pointing to your Shopify store. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.